Good morning everyone, welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Today it's August 13, Tuesday. We have the Monday high, Monday low. Bitcoin is still below 60k as the title of this live stream is saying. But let's take it step by step. Let's see what we have. So Monday high just a bit above 60k. We can fake out to that level, yeah. Monday low is 57 and something. Again, doable. You can see here a candle, a week high to retest. We can stay today here and play around. Yeah, I don't think we'll stay in this range for too long, but because we have 60k as a resistance, we can fight that level for longer. That's possible. So indicators, well, not too many things we can say here about the indicators. You can see disappointing OBV, but okay, we have a W, we have the second W, we closed above, so that's good. RSI, well, nothing special. What is interesting and nice in the same time is, like I said yesterday, is the bullish divergence on OBV here on weekly. Yeah, you can see here low, higher low, W. Yeah, you can see we confirmed here and we have a clear bullish divergence confirmed already, and a potential one on RSI. Weekly basis here, you can see indecision candle. Well, let's say that the tail is bigger than the wick, so we close green, so it's kind of bullish, but actually it's not so bullish because it's below 60k. I said yesterday, I don't need to repeat myself. Let's see how the market will resolve 60k level. Pretty important. Now, back on daily. I think here we can play around. Stefan will probably play the Monday high, Monday low. I have a possible setup here even from yesterday. It's still there. I'll show you when we'll get on in the day trading, swing trading part. Okay, now that's Bitcoin. Not too many things we can say. Let's see Ethereum. Well, kind of similar. You can see it's trying to push higher. We have a ugly kind of W. I don't think we have a good location here for a trade. Yeah, short reload zone is above, long reload zone is down below. We are exactly in the middle. On lower time frame we can trade, but I don't see why I should trade Ethereum and not Bitcoin in this environment. I want to trade Ethereum and not Bitcoin when I see either I want to hunt a long and Ethereum it's a bit stronger, or I want to hunt a short and Ethereum it's a bit bearish than Bitcoin. But here I prefer to stay focused on Bitcoin. If we'll hit a short reload zone here on Ethereum, okay, we can think about a short. And if we'll hit the long reload zone, then we can think about a long. Candle body highs, lows for trade location, you can see 61.8 here. If we'll touch this level, I'll gladly go on lower time frames and trade. For the moment, no, nothing important. Okay, Bitcoin dominance on daily. That's interesting here, what we have on Bitcoin dominance on daily. Why? Because we accepted back below 57. So we are back in the range. We almost completed AB equals CD here. And now we can, we have the possibility to close a bit higher and then to form that EM I was waiting. If we'll see an EM here in this area at 57, that will be a good sign that finally altcoins will outperform. We have that EM on 4-hour chart, but to be honest, I don't know if that 4-hour chart EM it's enough. So let's go on 4-hour chart to see a little bit. Well, you can see it here, EM breaking down, retest, and breaking down, closing below 57. So we had this EM, but I don't think it's enough. Yeah, we can stay focused on We can stay focused on 4-hour chart, but here, what I want to see here, I want to see here either retesting 57 and then breaking down, and that will be a tail that will aim out on daily, either a head and shoulder pattern here. So I want the market to go even higher here, create that bearish divergence between shoulder and the head, and then we can form that clear pattern. That will be a nice one. Level by level, you know me. Let's wait and see what will happen. Let's go back on daily. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, not too many things developed from yesterday. You can see we deep down in the long reload zone, dead cat bounced that area, and now we are going sideways. Probably we just bearishly test this level. I want more consolidation here. I don't see anything special here. On lower time frames, okay, we had a trade, but nothing for the moment on higher time frame on daily. DXY, well, you can see it's just below that support and resistance. This was a good support, now it's a good resistance. And it's consolidating this level. I don't see anything special here for me to worry about. You can see the big range and playing around. Okay, that's daily. On the DXY, well, total you can see similar as Bitcoin. Total 2 we spoke about yesterday, similar, nothing special. And total 3, if we'll accept above this high, then we'll change something. Until we'll break this level, I don't see any altcoin season or something like that. So watch on eyes on Bitcoin dominance and total 3. Maybe we can see some signs. Morning Bukur, morning Kalin, morning Andrei, morning Ken, morning Geo, morning Stefan. By the way, Stefan will live stream half an hour after we'll close this live stream. He will day trade for 1 hour, maybe more, who knows, depending what he will find on the market. So who wants to ask a question to Stefan or to see how Stefan is trading, you can join his live stream and you can ask him live. Nobody could guarantee you that Stefan will find setups or his setups from today will be winning ones. We are traders here. We have a win rate, we have a risk to reward. We are working with probabilities. So don't think that, well, I'll take Stefan trade without a clear risk management, and our trades have a win rate. So 40% of our trades will go and hit stop loss. Okay. Okay, total 3. Let's see now what do we have on lower time frame. And I'll start with Bitcoin on 1 hour. If you remember yesterday in the New York session, here we had a small yam and I missed the trade. I said, nah, I don't like it. It's below short reload zone. Fortunately, Abdullah saw the trade and said, well, it's for me, I'll take it. And he took the trade, closed the trade here with a nice profit. And he even DM'd me and said, well, the day it's over for me, I made money. See you tomorrow. That's trading. That's professional trading. You took your trade, you made enough money, you consider it's enough. You see the environment, it's ugly. Call it a day. See you tomorrow. For a Monday, making a kind of, I think Abdullah did here a 3-1 or something. Well, that's, if you make, I don't know, on average, something like that every day, you're the best trader. So I did miss this one, and then I took the long here. Why? It was a shark setup. I could go even on 5-minute chart to show you exactly what we had there. So you can see the M here. I said, well, not for me. Straight down into my shark. Yeah. And then up again. I closed 50% at the highs, trailing the rest. And you can see the market is just playing around. It's a symmetrical triangle, Ken. If you know what a symmetrical triangle is. Let me find a tool to draw a triangle. So take the high, take the low, something like this. Let me do it properly. Symmetrical triangle. 50% up, 50% down. Chances, I mean. So you don't want to trade here. And I'll show you something else. Okay, this was a nice trade. Let's go back on higher time frame now. Back on 1 hour. Yesterday I said I'll take a short setup if the shark will be hit. And you can see I'm still waiting with the limit order here at 78.6. But I have the Monday high, Monday low here. So for me to get an entry on the shark, I need to Monday high to be taken out. So that will be my first attempt to hunt a short idea here. On the long side, well, I need to modify this one. You can see here in the long reload zone here, if I'll see a W breakout and retest, I'll take the long. If not, I'll play the SFU at the Monday low. Pretty simple. So that will be my play on Bitcoin. Here in the middle of this range from the Monday high, Monday low, I don't want to touch Bitcoin. I just want to leave it alone. So people who are playing here, well, you have kind of 50-50. I showed you the triangle. Why do you want to play there? Well, who knows? Okay, that's Bitcoin on 1 hour. Now let's see Ethereum. Maybe we have something. Well, you can see Ethereum, it's a bit stronger at the moment. It's trying to get stronger at the moment. But I don't see a trade here. I don't see M's for a short. I don't have a good location for a short. No. I'll wait here for a long. If will give me a long reload zone here, will give me a clear W, I'll take it. I don't want to play around. I'll go on 4 hour chart for some altcoins. Yeah. CRV for example. Well, someone told you that in the weekly crypto review Sunday, yeah, that CRV should be one of the coins we should pay attention. No? Well, Sunday the price was here, now it's here. I don't think it will go anywhere for the moment. It could go, but usually I think we'll consolidate this level more. So waiting in the long reload zone, not a bad idea. We don't need to chase. We have a trade. We have some spot on CRV, on this fake out and on the lows. But I don't see a new setup. E-gold, similar. You can see it's trying to bounce from 38.2. Will be enough? I don't think so. But if I'll see a clear setup in the long reload zone, even pump chaser zone, if I'll see something, okay, I will take the trade. Joe, we are finally the other side of this trend line. Maybe we'll get a W, and then I'll be forced to take an LJ setup. Guys, if you have requests, please type in the chat. I want the ticker in the time frame, and I'll gladly take a look at your request. Pixel, you can see Pixel has something nice here on 4 hour chart. I don't know if you see it. This is a W on daily. This is a W on daily. Let's see, let's check. There you go. So we have location on this one. It's damn low, so definitely a good location to hunt long ideas. And we confirm the daily W. And we have bullish divergence on RSI. And bullish divergence on MACD. If you are a swing trader, well, maybe you want a bit deeper, you want to wait a little bit, but you have good location, bullish divergence, and a daily W. Let's zoom out. I think it's a fucking good location here, don't you think? Let's do something like this. I want to see more like this on altcoins. Let's do something. Well, there you go. Daily W just below 88.6. You think it's a good area to hunt a long idea, to take a swing trade, or to even invest here? I don't know. Up to you. Let's go back on 4-hour chart. On 4-hour chart, let's draw something like this, and we can wait for a retest here. Maybe even a pump chaser zone. Now the pump chaser zone has a good support. Let's see pump chaser zone. There you go. You can wait the market to come here, go on lower time frame 1 hour 50-minute chart and take the W. If you'll see a W, you can take it. We are on the right side of the trend line to think LJ. Okay, PITE similar. Now, let's wait for a dip, let's wait for an entry. The next W closer to the long reload zone, I think, will be a good idea. FAT is lagging, is consolidating. I prefer to dollar cost average on this one and don't trade it. Solana, well, if you remember, everyone was bearish here on Solana and everyone was bullish here on Solana. When Solana hit above $160, everyone, well, Solana is the best thing. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's strong indeed, but let's play level by level. Let's make some money. Let's not be the last to buy, like in this case. Okay, I don't see a setup here on Solana, not yet at least. We have a NEM above us, we don't have a good location, so we should be patient. Similar here, we can go sideways, but a dip here will give us a nice entry. Dimension, well, redraw the fib. It's a bit too high for my taste. It's pushing higher indeed, but we have some resistance. Ugly environment here, not easy to trade, but if you are an investor, you should try to buy. $1 here was a damn good level. Big fat round number as usual. Taking this level to invest, you can see you are almost 50% up. What happened, Stefan? You made your money already? I'll take a look immediately. Okay. W the other side on Evo? Maybe. You can see. It's trying to make a W, but I'll prefer to wait here in the long reload zone. Probably is the best. Manta, similar, nothing special. We did a new high with some bearish divergence on most of them. So that's why I prefer to wait in the long reload zone. Yeah. You can see we made a new high with bearish divergence on MACD. Some of them they have on RSI also. So that's not bullish. Let's be honest. ING, it's more stable. You can see this one. We're still respecting this trend channel. But okay, it's stronger, but I still want to see a dip here in the close to the long reload zone. That will convince me to take a long. Well, let's see what Stefan has, if I'll manage to... Let's see what Stefan has here. Well, Stefan, you made some profit, but I don't consider one-to-one day off. Sorry to tell you, but you can do better than that. Okay, nice scalp here. Okay, so Stefan, keep working, make more. On the higher time frame, at the end I'll speak 2 minutes and then we'll close the live stream. On higher time frame here, if you look on daily, on a lot of altcoins, you'll see daily W's here. A power of 3 forming. Now you can look at Evo. Look at the location and look what happened here. What do you think could happen here? Look at W, W, W. Bullish divergence on RSI. Sometimes OBV will just pick up later, so you'll see the pump and then the big volume will come. Sometimes. But here, in my book, smells like power of 3. And you had the retest already. It's not too late to take a trade. Maybe you'll get lucky and you'll get another retest. But a lot of altcoins, they are looking really nice. This one, too volatile for me. But let's take it one by one. Couple of examples. Yeah, you can see this one is looking damn nice. Look at this one. Yeah, power of 3 could be here. We had a W here, breakout retest. And just an example, I'm not talking about a specific one. Look at this one, W on ace. Yeah? It's forming a daily W. Similar. A lot of altcoins look in the same way. Yeah, look at this one. Look at them. They are looking attractive from an investor point of view. Well, this one goes belly up, no problem. I'm still in because my stop loss on this one, if it's on spot, it's daily close below the stop loss. I don't care. If we'll close, if I'll get an alarm and will hit my level, then I'll get out. Until then, I'm still in. Alpaca, Alpha, a lot of them, they are looking similar. I could go on the entire list, but we have that daily W, small daily W, because on daily this is a small W. Good risk to reward there. A lot of them, they have that. You think should be wise from us to take advantage, to hunt long ideas there? I think so. I bet that it's a damn good idea to do that. If we'll fail, well, that's why we have risk management. But if we'll go in our direction, the risk reward is damn good. So, decide, morning Shogun. Decide for yourself, hunt some good ideas, and try to play the long side if you want to participate. I will do that. I have a lot of bags on the investment. We got a lot of fills, but I could play some swings. Why not? Well, that's more than enough from our part for today. Economic calendar, you can see here. We have big news just 1 hour before the stock market will open. PPI. Not the best, not the biggest news, but still high impact. I think we should pay attention to it. Yeah. We had some news behind us. For example, a lot of people waited the Trump and Elon Musk interview. That's behind us now. You can watch that one if you like. I will not express myself, my opinion about that. Just watch it and you'll see. Twitter, not too many things. Not too many things. I only appreciate if you want, when you see me posting the YouTube link, to repost this one. I saw that Twitter doesn't like for us to post YouTube links. And they'll shadow ban kind of, you can see 60 people saw that. And if I'll go on other posts, they have a lot more. So it's kind of shadow banning, and I will appreciate if you want to retweet in the morning when you see the tweet about the live stream. Hit the like button if you want, if you like the content. If you don't like it, hit the dislike. I don't see any requests, so I think I could call it a live stream. It's Tuesday, play with Monday low, Monday high. Stefan will talk about more in half an hour about that. Ugly environment is not for beginners now. So beginners, either swing trade, either stay out. Yeah? It's not on easy mode. You can see consolidating, big volatility. Again, consolidating, big volatility. That's not a good environment. A lot of fake outs, a lot of SFUs, but you are here to learn, you are here to get experience, so let's do that. Okay, let's call it a live stream. see you in half an hour in the next one. New York will be for all Discord members, so you can participate there if you're not a premium member. At the end, I'll say about Capwa 1. I posted a short video. Capwa 1 will start in the beginning of September. 20 places only. If you want to participate, if you want to learn how to trade, now is the moment. Yeah, and I see some people in the chat that I know they need that. Yeah, I know they want to learn to trade, to swing trade. I know they will enjoy the program. They just didn't decide yet. Catalin, Bucur, Andrei. Yeah, it's just some examples. Robert, don't wait too much, because I don't know next year if I'll do it again or will be at the same price. Decide for yourself. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye bye.